So you here because your Windows PC crashing or acting weird, and blue screen is one of the most famous of these issues. And quickly you go to Google and type how to fix Windows blue screen. And in search bar, you find a lot and a lot of solutions that, depending on guessing, started from BIOS, ending with start your PC in a safe mode, check the device manager, and other stuff in the hardware. You start to think there is a secret. There is no secret. There is a tool. The most important part of solving a problem is a correct diagnosis. Go to your search bar and type reliability. Click on view reliability history. This opens the reliability monitor, a hidden timeline of your computer's health. To figure out what happened in weeks or days in the schedule, click on days or weeks to understand the data in front of you. For understanding the data that in front of you, see those red X icons. These are crucial failures. Click on any day to see which app or driver crashed. No more cryptic errors codes, just clear information about causing the trouble.